अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। उम्मीद है तमाम व्यूवर्स और स्टूडेंट्स खैर आफियत से होंगे। आज मैं क्लास मैट्रिक का बायोलॉजी स्टडी पेपर लेकर हाज़िर हुआ हूँ। पिछले पेपरों की तरह आपने इस पेपर के तमाम सवालों को MCQs को अपने पास नोट करना है, याद करना है, ताकि आपके जो आने वाले पेपर हैं 7 अप्रैल से 9 मैट्रिक के कराची के बोर्ड के पेपर स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं, तो आपके बहुत ही अच्छे नंबर बायोलॉजी के पेपर में भी आ जाएं। तो बग़ैर टाइम ज़ाया किए हम सवाल की तरफ आते हैं। पहला सवाल है सेक्शन A MCQs, कंपलसरी है, ये लाजमी करना है। मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस, ये 20% मार्क्स हैं इसके। और इसका पहला सवाल है चूज़ द करेक्ट आंसर फ्रॉम गिवन ऑप्शंस, 12 मार्क्स हैं इसके। नंबर 1, दिस ऑर्गन ऑफ द ह्यूमन बॉडी इज़ कंसीडर्ड टू बी द लार्जेस्ट ऑर्गन। स्किन, डाइजेस्टिव ट्रैक्ट, लिवर, ब्रेन। Number 2, sensory hair cells are present in retina, cochlea, skin, nose. Number 3, cartilage is made up of these cells: osteoclast, osteocytic, chondrocytic, canovite. Number 4, the head of femur bone is attached to pelvic girdle, pectoral girdle, scapula, axial skeleton. Number 5, this is the female gametophyte of angiospermic plant: embryo sac, oval, ovary, carpel. Number 6, removal of extra liquid water is called excretion, guttation, transpiration, exudation. Number 7, the term ecosystem was proposed by Robert Brown, Darwin, Tinsley, Mendel. Number 8, in arthropods, exoskeleton is made up of chitin, silica, protein, calcium carbonate. Number 9, the pair of muscles where both works in opposite direction is antagonist, cardiac, smooth, abductor. Number 10, the artificial manipulation, medication and recombination of DNA is called genetic engineering, biotechnology, molecular biology. Number 11, the life sustaining envelope of Earth is called biosphere, biome, population, atmosphere. Number 12, plants do exchange of gases through root, steam, stomata, all of these. सेक्शन B स्टार्ट हो गया। 40% मार्क्स हैं इसके। शॉर्ट आंसर क्वेश्चंस, 24 मार्क्स। नोट हमारे पास है इसका आंसर एनी 8 ऑफ द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, डिस्क्राइब ऑस्मो रेगुलेशन in terrestrial condition, or draw a neat and level diagram of LS of kidney. Question number 3, describe genetic engineering tools, or discuss role of lungs to maintain CO2 concentration, or define excretion in animals, name the animals excretory organs. Question number 4, describe the discovery of antiseptic and antibiotic, or differentiate between chemical and nervous coordination, or why adrenaline is called emergency hormone. Question number 5, draw a neat and level diagram of LS of flower or ovule, or draw the structure of pollen grain, or write down 3 functions of skeleton. Question number 6. Define the following. Number 1, homologous chromosomes. Number 2, sister chromatide. Number 3, heterozygous. Number 4, allele. 5, dominant allele. 6, homozygous. 7, recessive allele. 7, 8, filtration. 9, inheritance. 10, heredity. 11, binary fission. Number 7, define antagonism with bicep and tricep muscles. Or what is fermentation? What are its types, uses? Or define skeleton. What is the 3 functions of skeleton? Question number 8. Name 5 endangered mammals or birds in Pakistan. Or differentiate between photosynthesis and respiration. Or how does vaccine work against pathogen? Explain with the help of diagram. Question number 9. Discuss breathing process in human. Or what are addictive drugs? Write names of addictive drugs. Or define genetic engineering. Question number 10. Describe commensalism and mutualism with example. Or draw label diagram of nephron. Or draw the structure of dicot seed. Question number 11. Define sexually transmitted diseases. Give the names of diseases. Or what is gametogenesis? Discuss spermatogenesis in rabbit. Or describe pollination and its types. Or what are the adaptive characteristics of insect and water pollinated flower. Or describe the process of guttation. Question number 12. Write short notes on any 2 of the following. A. Color blindness. B. Spinal cord. C. Artificial ventilator. D. Osteoporosis. E. Reflex action. Or name the excretory organs and excretory compounds of planaria, earthworm, cockroach and vertebrates. Or discuss the hormones released from the anterior lobe of pituitary glands. Or write short note on hydrophytes or xerophytes. Question number 13. Write 3 differences between any 1 of the following. A. Cartilage and bone. B. Exoskeleton and endoskeleton. Or write short note on acid rain and greenhouse effect. Or define variation. Describe the types of variation. Or describe movable joints. Give 3 names with examples. Or what is paralysis or epilepsy and goiter. Or write a short note on artificial selection. अब सेक्शन सी, ये भी 40% मार्क्स पर मुश्तमिल है. डिस्क्रिप्टिव आंसर क्वेश्चंस 24 मार्क्स हैं इसके, और नोट है इसका आंसर एनी 4 ऑफ द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस ईच 6 मार्क्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 है, व्हाट आर बायोटिक फैक्टर्स? ब्रीफली डिस्क्राइब एनी 3 ऑफ देम. और डिस्क्राइब द स्ट्रक्चरल फंक्शन ऑफ ह्यूमन आई विद डायग्राम. or describe Watson and Crick model of DNA with diagram. Or question number 15, what do you mean by air or water pollution? How is air or water pollution controlled? Or draw a neat and level diagram of the human respiratory system. Question number 16, define endocrine system. Write down name of any 3 endocrine glands with 1 secretion of each. Or explain nitrogen cycle, or what is meant by sexual and asexual reproduction. Differentiate between sexual and asexual reproduction. Question number 17, state and explain Mendel's law of segregation, or define pollination and its types. Write down importance of pollination, or explain the Darwin theory of natural selection. Question number 18, draw and describe the working nephron, or discuss any 3 respiratory disorders, or write short note on kidney stone and kidney dialysis. Question number 19, describe arthritis, its types, causes, treatment, and also define the role of obesity in arthritis. Or describe pancreasis, how is it related to diabetes, how is diabetes controlled, or define ecosystem, describe its biotic components and their types. उम्मीद है आपने तमाम सवालों को नोट कर लिया होगा, और अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, कमेंट भी कीजिए। जज़ाकल्लाह खैर।